harshest realities of Indian roads, a test against something much, much bigger than the punch. The structure remains intact. The passenger compartment stays stable. Critical safety systems perform exactly as designed. Impact forces are absorbed and distributed. Occupant protection is maintained. Every key parameter, structural integrity, passenger safety, and restraint performance meets and exceeds expectations. This test wasn't about proving a point. It was about owning a responsibility. Because when families put their trust in it, the punch must be ready for real roads and real consequences.